Alright. So what I need to do is this is going to be a wee bit of a pain in the butt. The wiring is not going to be too much of a pain because the wire is long enough. The pain is going to be trying to get this in there. Now, there's a strong possibility that if I make the hole big enough, I can just push it in from the front. And then I got to find a cover for this box. Because this is more of a junction box than it is for the switches. But one thing at a time. Okay, so if I put this about there, let me get a flashlight and go look. Let me see. Well, maybe I can do it first. Hold on. There is the screw, so if I go right about there, okay, now here's what my game plan is. Try to cut that out with the jig. I'll follow the top. I think that's about okay. If it isn't, well, I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. Let me get a drill. Okay, so let's drill the hole right about there. That's a good spot right there. That's a good spot. Hey, this little Black & Decker that Chris gave me a couple, I don't know, a month ago maybe, a month and a half, whatever. I don't remember. But it comes in handy because the other one, well, this is work, so it's good, but the good one that I have, which is in the box all the time, it's a pain in the ass, you know, to pick out the right box, which I have it marked. Then you gotta open it up, put the blade in it. This one I just keep out, I don't worry about it. Now this is what I was talking about earlier. There's a board there holding up the shelf. I measured it a little bit close to that board, which means that it's not going to fit because of the sled. So it's going to be lower. So once I get the top one done, I'm going to follow that board. Then I can redraw the box. Yeah, because that is right against it right now. Okay. So now, well, you know, I never thought of that. You see what I mean here? Why might as well bother cutting that out when I can just bolt this up against the bottom stud with a couple in there. I don't think it's going to be in the way, not at all. I mean, even if I put the box on the inside, the switches are still going to be out there. They won't be out far, but I still need that area. So what's the difference at this point? You know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to bother cutting it out now that I think about it. I'll put some silicone in that cut. The hole I can still use to bring the wire through. I just have to drill a hole in the gizmo. And let me get these out of here, because those are going to break my cayunes, and I don't need them. Yeah, I can bolt that right in there. Let me drill a hole in this big enough to put a sleeve in it and run that wire through. There. Looks like the battery's going dead. This thing loves batteries. Now that battery was fully charged. I'll put you here for a minute. Okay. The only bit that I have big enough to make the hole big enough is a unibit or step bit. Now the step bit that I need is buried underneath all these bits that I've got from Chris. So I'm wondering if it's going to be easy, or maybe I can do it. Maybe I found it. This one may work. Let's see. Yeah, okay. This one should do it. At least it should get me big enough to where I can use the bigger one the bigger one. Where are we here, guys? This thing was definitely worth the money. I don't remember. I think I paid either 20 or 40. I'm not sure. But regardless of which one I paid, it was definitely worth it. Now, we gotta go down far enough? We should. Okay, kind of figured that. But at least now I can get it in there. The other day we were talking about I forgot what we were talking about. And he mentioned that he used the bandsaw. Well, the bandsaw that he used is the one that I wanted. So I told him, oh yeah, right, rub it in, dirtbag. You know, I said, that's what I wanted to buy. He said, oh, you have a bandsaw? I go, yeah, I do. Yeah, I said, yeah, I got one of my last days, but it stopped working. Oh yeah, that's right. He says, I'll find you a bandsaw. I said, there's gotta be a 4 model. And I need a big spread. Hold on, guys. I think it will work. Let's see if it's going to fit in the hole. Well, that one's not. I may have to make the hole bigger. Yes, I do. I don't remember how good the fit is. Next up. I have it on here, but it looks like this and everything up and down. Now we're going to cut it loose. Oh, now we'll see how that works. You guys remember? I told you a friend of mine at one time told me to try this hand cleaner when you're drilling metal because it works. You know, like stuff. And yeah, right. I said, we pull my leg at this point. No, I'm serious. Well, I don't know. I'm going to say a couple months back. I don't know when it actually was, to be honest with you. I was drilling something. It was a little hard side to drill. So I tried it. Now I'm going to tell you, the bit went right through it. I was surprised. But the bit doesn't have to be sharp. That looks like it's real close. But I may have to drop it. Put it over here. Hold on. There it is. Well, it didn't seem to do all that great on that one, but when I did it the other time, I'm telling you, I was really surprised. It's like it's not doing anything. You see this? Well, you know what, guys? Let's take that puppy out there. And let me find where it is. Maybe too small. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's not it. With our eye, hole door reamer. It's like it takes a bit more. Nah, this is too small. Oh, maybe. This is gonna make this. Why not try it? I don't have to go that far. You cool? No, you're not cool. Okay. You cool? No, you're not. Well, that's still not cool. I thought I had more. He's saying I gotta buy one. So I might try to go with him. No, I gotta look at what's the name stuff. What the hell's his name now? He does a lot of comparisons and stuff. He does such a good job, sometimes it's confusing. I'll have to remember that channel. Good channel. He does a lot of different things. I think he did one on units. He buys like 5, 6, 7, anywhere from, price that is, anywhere from, depending on the product, anywhere from like $2 to $100. Now this, they get a little Magnus. So this really is. Nope. I thought it may have given me a shot, but it didn't. Hold on, guys. I do have a secret way. We're not that far off. I don't know if this will do. This is a little too big, but to make the latch, I'm not going to do what I need to do. I can always use the Dremel tool if I have to. Just get in there. Pull it out a little bit. Now see, this is where the shot box comes in handy. Because the shot box, this whole same size, so it doesn't make a difference. The shot box goes up and down while it's turning. You know, it's like holding it out cool enough. Okay. Okay, that works. Now if I get it to start, that's the problem. Because we're right on the money here as far as. Yeah. Gotta spread it a little bit, it goes in.